Hi, I'm Elder from Mr. D Home Improvements. I'm here in Phillipsburg, New Jersey, trying to get an attempted repair. I'm from Mr. D Home Improvements. We're licensed insurance in New Jersey. Here we're using a roof snake, let's call it. We're gonna try to get these. We're gonna try to do these attempted repair without creating any damage on these shingles. So let's see how it goes. These are the shingles. This is the shingle we're going to be removing. These three right here, they're going to be coming out. So for us to get this shingle out, we have to work on all these shingles above on top. So let's see how it goes. Here's the first shingle. So now we're going to be installing a new one. The new one back on. Snake? Try to use the snake. works. Yes. We got a problem here already trying to use the snake. Nail doesn't go straight. You have to do it by hand if you want to do it right. That's how the nail has to be flat. One more there. Watch out. Okay.
Are there any creases on the...
Yeah, there's some creasing right here. You can go closer. This shingle, it's gonna start cracking from this side right here. Okay. Also this one that fell. Same thing on this corner right here. Right there. So these three shingles right here, they have crease.
So what would you have to do to fix that?
We're gonna have to, again, we're gonna have to take those three out, but then it's gonna continue. We're gonna continue, you know, getting more damage, like more shingles damage. So you're gonna create more damage if you try to get these three out. Again, you might get another crease on the ones you have to remove, so you can get these three out.
What about the snake tool? What's the problem with it?
The snake tool, it's actually, to me, it doesn't really, it creates more damage. So
why?
Because it's a heavy tool, it's too thick, and it's not. I'd rather use a different tool to do this.
What
but
tool?
It's still I normally use flat bars, but it's a 20-year-old roof, and I can't promise you that it's not gonna create any damage because of the edge of the roof. So
how did the snake tool drive the nail?
It does, you know, it works pretty good, but you're still gonna get any damage. To me, it doesn't work.
You were saying that the snake tool was putting the nail in, which as you were holding it,
angle.
It was going at an angle?
At an angle, so that's a problem. You can't, you know, the nail cannot be on an angle. It has to be straight, flat, you know, on the shingle.
And so because of that, did you have to take a hammer and hit it down?
Yeah, you have to use a hammer and do it different.
So
use a different way to get it done.
Does that also include holding the shingle up with your hand?
Yes.
Okay, so in your professional opinion, a roof of this age, is it repairable?
To be honest, no, it's not repairable because, like I said, you know, right now you see three shingles got damaged because of, you know, trying to replace more, you know, the ones on top. We're gonna create more damage because you can't really touch these shingles because of the edge of the roof. You're gonna get more creasing or you know. or more damage on the shingles.
Okay.
And plus, you see these shingles are a little smaller than this ones. We still get a small gap, a bigger gap on this side.
And what about mat transfer? So did you have any material transfer when you were lifting up the original shingles?
Well, I don't see, on these ones, I don't see any, to be honest. But this lower roof can be different than the one on top. So,
Okay. So this one was done in the shade.
Yeah.
Now let's go do one in the sun.
All right. Yeah, we can do that. So let's try to do that.
Okay.